up your colors, let's begin. Draw a happy world with a smile and grin. Red and yellow, blue and green, paint the brightest you've ever seen. Every picture tells a story. Art is fun for everyone. Little hands can draw today, learning colors while we play. Sun and flowers, birds that fly, rainbow dancing in the sky. Every line is full of cheer. Happy art is always here. Draw a tree so big and tall, paint a house beside it all. Blue sky, green grass everywhere, happy hearts with love and care. Make your dreams come shining through. Every masterpiece is you. Your pencils, 1, 2, 3. Draw the world so happily. Color butterflies so bright. Fill the day with pure delight. Smile and sing while you create. Art makes every moment great. Paint the sunshine, paint the sea. Draw a world for you and me. Happy colors all around. Joy and laughter can be found. Every picture starts with fun. Keep on drawing, everyone. Let's draw together every day. Learn and laugh while we play. Hearts and stars and sky so blue. Every dream can come true. Color, smile and proudly sing. Art makes happiness take wing. Dog says bow wow. E for elephant, big and strong. F for fish, swims along. G for goat, eats the grass. H for hen, egg she has judgin'. I for ice cream, cold and nice. J for jug, holds the juice. E for elephant, big and strong, hot. F for fish, swims along. G for goat, eats the grass. Hotch. H for hen, egg she has, she has. I for ice cream, cold and nice. J for jug, holds the juice. K for kite, flies so high. L for lion, king so sly. M for monkey, jumps on tree. N for nest, birds home to be. O for orange, juicy fruit. P for parrot, green and cute. Q for queen, wears a crown. R for rabbit, hops around. S for sun, shines so bright. T for tiger, full of might. U for umbrella, in the rain. V for van, on the lane. W for watch, tells the time. X for xylophone, makes a rhyme. Y for yak, long hair coat. Z for zebra, stripes on coat. E for elephant, big and straught. F for fish, swims along, yoink. G for goat, eats the grass, yoich. H for hen, eggs she has. Let's draw together, me and you. Simple lines and colors too. A little house and rainbow bright. Drawing makes our day so light. Umbrella in the rainy sky. Mushroom grows up way up high. Grab your pen, come join the fun. Drawing time for everyone! Little house under the sky, round roof reaching high, tiny window shining bright, cozy home in soft daylight. Open door, come inside, safe and warm, a happy ride. Draw and color, have some fun, home sweet home for everyone. Little umbrella in the sky, keeps me safe when rain is high. Raindrops falling, tap, 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 dancing softly on my cap. Open wide with colors bright, shining in the rainy light. Draw it, color, have some fun, rainy days for everyone. Little kettle on the stove, heating water nice and slow. Bubble, bubble, hear it sing. Soon it starts to whistle ting. Pour the tea so warm and sweet. Cozy time, a lovely treat. Draw and color, have some fun. Happy moments for everyone. Look at the sky, so bright and high. Colors dancing way up in the sky. Red and orange, yellow so true. Green and blue, all shining for you. Indigo and violet blend so fine, making rainbows a magical sign. Draw your rainbow with colors so free. Happiness shines for you and me. In the forest, under the tree, tiny mushrooms smiling at me. Red with spots and brown so small, growing gently, I love them all. Little caps popping from the ground, magical shapes all around. Draw a mushroom, color so bright, nature's wonder, a joyful sight. Put on your cap so cool and bright, colors shining in the morning light. Blue or red, green or yellow, wearing a cap makes me feel mellow. Draw a cap on paper so fine, shape it round with a little line. Hats and caps, fun to see, style and color just for me. In a quiet little place so far away, where the sun smiles bright every day, there's a house beside a winding road, full of dreams and stories untold. Draw a line and make it slow, watch a little house start to grow. Add a tree and a smiling sun, simple art can be so fun. Little windows, a tiny door, magic lives in something small. With every line you gently trace, you create your happy place. Oh, draw your world so bright and free, let your heart sketch what you see. Every line tells a story new, a little dream made just by you. Colors are black and white so clear. Every drawing brings you near to a world where you belong. In your art you're always strong. Follow the road that curves away to a place where kids can play. Trees are dancing in the breeze, whispering soft melodies. Happy sun up in the sky winks at you as time goes by. Every shape you start to draw turns into something you adore. Oh, draw your world so bright and free, let your heart sketch what you see. Every line tells a story new, a little dream made just. No need to rush, just take your time. Every line becomes a rhyme. Even simple things can shine when your imagination aligns. Close your eyes and you will find a peaceful place inside your mind. Bring it out with every stroke, every line you draw. Little house and a winding way, simple joys in shades of gray, or painted bright with colors true. It's your world you're bringing through. From your pencil flows your art, every drawing is a start. keep on going, don't be shy. Oh, draw your world so bright and free. Let your heart sketch what you see. Every line tells a story new, a little dream made just by you.